Gaze upon this fine country of ours while you can, gentlemen.
Dozer.
Shit. Guy like you's really gotta fuck up to land here with me.
You, might want to secure that weapon, Deputy, before one of these gentlemen takes it off you.
I always enjoy seeing dirty cops end up on my bus. It reminds me, the system works. Enjoy the ride, detective.
All right, this is the one.
Give it for it.
I think you should take the lead this time, all right? Hit with authority, check your corners, find our guy, and we take him down before anyone even thinks about going for their gun.
Yeah, I've done this before.
And not with me, you haven't. All right, let's roll. Use your big boy voice.
Police! We're coming in!
Nobody fucking move!
Get your hands where I
Nobody
can see
move!
them!
Let me see your hands!
Up where I can see
Let
them!
me see your hands!
Move back and away from the
You just
table!
knocked on the wrong door.
Oh shit, man, come on now.
Nick, cuff these guys. Let's get the hell out of here. Hey, do me a favor. Hook the mouthy room first.
Okay. Keep those hands on your head and turn around slowly. Slowly. Nice and easy.
You're making a big mistake.
We're all friends now.
How about the light out of my face, yeah?
Okay, spin around. Nothing sudden.
Fucking bullshit. You know it. It's a fucking joke. I'll be out by the morning, cop. You fucking know it.
Yeah? A pile of coke says otherwise.
Fuck you! It's not a gun! Get down, down, cover!
Fuck you,
Jesus Christ! That got out of hand fast.
What the fuck was that? You didn't check the door?
Hey, I'm the one making arrests. You're supposed to watch the room.
Yeah. Just check the bodies. See if we can figure out what the hell they were up to.
Bingo.
Yeah? What we got?
Wallet. ID. Anyone you know?
Nope. Dead end. Too bad there's nobody left to interrogate.
Hey, I was tired of burgers, so I got Cuban. Anybody hungry?
Hey, stop right there!
Get after him. Go! Go!
I got him! Stay where you are! Hands up! You're just making this worse! Damn it! Stoddard! Downstairs! Now! Stoddard, now! Holy shit!
Stay where you are! Got you, you son of a bitch! Don't do anything stupid! Nick, we're clear. Drag that asshole out of there.
Come on! You have the right to remain silent! Oh, you heard this before, huh?
5 suspects are dead and 1 remains in custody after a dramatic police raid of an Overtown hotel. This marks the 4th incident of apparent drug violence in Miami this week. We now go live downtown for an exclusive Sky 5 interview with Investigations Captain Julian Dawes.
This is an ongoing investigation.
So no comment, Captain?
This is an ongoing investigation. That is my comment. No comment would be no comment.
Where the hell is everybody? Oh, drug war, sir. Saw it on TV. It's like the 80s all over again. In fact, I'm gonna wear a white linen suit with the sleeves pushed up with a pink t-shirt. In the meantime, started doing special detail. Detectives Mendoza Dow, my office. You two know each other?
Sort of.
Good. I'm making you partners. Sit. Mendoza, you recovered several kilos of cocaine today. Congratulations. So tell me, why does coke get stamped?
Maker's mark, to prove it came uncut from the source.
That's correct. And your coke had a stamp we haven't seen before. Your catch of the day claims you got it from Tyson Latchford, with whom Detective Dow has had several run-ins. I want you two to bring him in for a little chat.
Sir, Mendoza's last run in the field, no offense, was a total clusterfuck.
You're gonna get along great. Dismissed.
What's this?
Probably a drug bust.
These searches, man.
It's probable cause, numbnuts. I don't need your consent.
Hey, Guzman, who you got there?
It's our old pal Hugs. Trunk full of that hotshot shit.
Hugs. Where's your friend, Tap?
I don't know where Tap is at.
You guys looking for Tap?
Yeah, you seen him?
Nah, but I saw his homie Bricks over with Tap's crew over there on 12th Street.
Thanks, Guzman. Appreciate it.
Nice locate, Detective.
Damn it! Open up! This is my house! I can stop her from texting me!
Come on. We roll up on wheels and we spook the whole neighborhood.
This is 13. We're exiting the vehicle.
The city blocked off the projects, so there's only one way out.
All it does is piss people off.
The guy we're looking for usually slings around here. I assume you know the neighborhood.
Yeah, but I haven't been here in a while. I'll follow your lead.
Damn. You stuffed something in those pants, officer?
Thomas, don't make me check your pockets, because I know what I'll find.
You sure do.
Ruben, put a leash on this guy, and get that in a bag.
Actually, I don't really have a bag. I don't have a bag. I don't have a brown bag. Bag of plastic. You got a date or something? Go ahead and take a whole hour if you want.
Heads up. There's
Do you
Briggs.
have a date or something, man?
Careful, Mendoza. This guy's unpredictable.
It's always about time to come, man. This is a chance.
You go first. This guy knows me.
See, I'm telling you, we can do this like we always knew this, and boo this. Feel me?
Freeze!
What the hell you want?
Miami PD. We got some questions.
Yo, detective, who's this?
He's my new partner, Bricks. We're here to play bad cop, worst cop.
Your friend Tap. Where is he?
Man, fuck you.
Okay, let's jump right to worst cop. Nick, take him down.
What?
Now tell me where Tap is, and we walk away.
What? Protect and serve my ass, man. He's on the couch tonight, okay?
That's all I needed to hear. Come on, Mendoza.
You can't keep getting away with this shit!
I know my rights!
What, we're just gonna leave him there? You sure that's smart?
No, but I'm sure he tried to kill an undercover last year. Fuck him. Come on. Tap's couch is in the Arcola projects. He might not be there for long. Oh shit, that's Tap's crew up ahead. We don't want them to know we're coming. Follow me. Stay back. Come on, this way. You're not gonna tell anyone we're doing this, right, partner?
Doing what, detective?
Attaboy. Okay, come on.
I got it. Go on through.
Thank you kindly. Sorry about that clusterfuck comment, by the way. Sounds like it was a real mess. But you handled it.
What's your read on Stoddard anyway? We weren't partners long.
Stoddard's a bull. And the world's his china shop. Remember, this is Tap's turf. If anyone sees us, they'll tell him we're coming. We need to keep a low profile.
The problem is, you don't play defense. What you talking about? I'm playing defense. Just lay it down. I know what you got anyway. You're like a rookie quarterback, sucker. Oh, you know what I get? Man, you don't know shit about what I got. Why you gotta be like that, man? Okay, all right, watch it. Don't mind about this play. See? That's why that 20 you had in your hand is now my 20. In fact, let's make it 50. You wanna go again? All right, man. That's 2 out of 3.
Shit, we're blocked. Throw something to distract him. Nice.
Now we're broke.
Daryl?
Sounded like something fell off the roof.
If the air thing breaks, I'm going to stay with my sister.
Breaks, I'll fix it.
Tap's just ahead. But there's no way we're getting past these two without taking at least one of them in. Can you separate?
Yeah, I got this.
Nobody ever counters like that. Ever, man. Exactly, bro. Please, how many times? Shut up a second. Something's out there.
Our man should be through here.
This guy, Z, with an X, right? Z-E-N-U. He comes over, he takes literally. Shit.
Evening, Tap. Don't run, because I will chase you. We're looking for Tyson.
You her new partner? She do that karate for you yet?
I study Krav Maga. Karate's mystical bullshit.
You are a trip.
Tap and Tyson grew up together. White guys who got a taste for the hood. Tap never left.
Stand up. Hands on your head.
Hey, Tyson, Tap, where is he?
A lot of people looking for Tyson. You watch the news, right?
Dude's laid low. Life expectancy in the game ain't so good right now.
Yeah, we were hoping you could give us some insight into that.
Above my pay grade, Fidel.
Nick, hook this guy.
Thought you'd never ask.
Oh, swear you cops get off on this shit.
Yeah, at first. Then you just get bored. Tab. I am shocked, buddy.
Yeah, I got a subscription for that. Oh, God.
I know you got warrants. I know you keep your coke around the corner under the dumpster. I know little man who just ran off is probably moving it right now. And seriously, that kid is way too young to be doing this shit. So yeah, we have to take you in for possession. We will.
What do you want me to do?
Hey, your earpiece fits?
Yeah, it fits.
And your wire? Say something.
Benedict Arnold.
Hey, Knucklehead. You're not Benedict Arnold, and this isn't snitch work. Walk in, verify Tyson's there, and leave.
Sounds easy. Why don't you come down here and do it?
Nick, find Tap with your scanner. Your scanner's connected to every local and federal database. Brave new world, partner. Follow him with your scanner to make sure he doesn't blow this.
He must be looking for time. Tyson used to cut the motherfucker off. Fucking cracker. Should be bad. Yo! Looking for Tyson. Tyson? This shit ain't easy, dog. Come on, man. Just help a brother out. Come on, man. Just come on. I need to see Tyson. Relax. Get your shit under control, brother. Just go. Just go.
And we're in. Come on, Tap, lead us to Tyson.
I don't recognize any of these guys.
Just keep on that scanner. Figure out who we're looking at here. That thing's equipped with a digital shotgun mic. Scan around and listen in.
Yo, Fidel. Shit feels real tense in here.
Is Tyson around or not?
Yeah, we're about to chat.
Copy that.
The teams that were just... You have Los Angeles. You got 5 minutes. All I need. Tap? What are you doing here?
That's Tyson. Scan him. We need proof he was here.
Shit. There's no line of sight to Tyson.
I'm just doing what I'm doing.
Maybe he'll move.
Don't go around asking for me. Shit isn't safe right now. Tyson, just one more. Please. Just have a seat. I'll see what I can do, all right? No problemo. No problem at all.
Wait a sec. Who the hell is this?
No idea. What do you want to do here?
Whoa, you gotta turn that shit around, man.
Scan as many of those guys as you can.
Oh, shit. They're after Tyson.
Come on, we gotta get to him now. CP, this is 13. We've got gunshots. We're engaging.
Gunshots reported at 3rd and 33rd. All units be advised.
Come on. It's open. Come on. I got you covered. Arrest these
I
guys.
heard Nelson hired a crew from Juarez. Juarez? You think Nelson's gonna bring in motherfuckers from Juarez?
Atlanta, maybe not south of the border. But those that look like Nelson's guys. Man, you just never seen a banger from Atlanta before.
Tell these guys to freeze. I'll back you up.
Freeze! The guy's shooting up the place. Who are they?
I don't know. I think it's the same cycles hitting every crew in town.
Come on, Nick. Cuff them.
Fucking cop.
Kai!
Got your back, Nick. I think I know that guy. Scan him and see if he's got warrants.
You were right. That snitch tap? Let us right to him.
13, suspect in your
we got
vicinity.
him all. Check
And
for
you.
Tyson's body now.
Get him in cuffs. It'll look good for us.
We're grabbing all the hot shot we can find.
I'll let you know the haul, all right? Talk later.
Nice, Mendoza.
CP, send a pickup.
Low-life motherfuckers. Why the fuck did you guys think you could get away with this? Why? We're just gonna lay low and get away from shit. You can never get away from me! What the fuck were you guys thinking? Stupid motherfuckers. All you had to do is tell me where he was. Where is Tyson? Where the fuck is Tyson? That's all I wanted to know. You guys want to be stupid. For that khaki-wearing motherfucking white boy? Really? Done, motherfuckers! You guys are fucking stupid! I want to know where he was at. That's all I want to know. Pero no me voy a decir nada, no les voy a decir a pinches pendejos. ¡Idiotas! ¿Qué estaban pensando, güeyes?
What the fuck? Oh, damn.
We got a guy down. Get back!
We're clear. Let's head upstairs.
We should be getting close to Tyson.
Damn!
Scan to see if there's any evidence we can track back to Tyson. That's a start. Nice work. Remember, if that thing...
Tyson's too organized for his own good.
You have no idea. Buzzes, it means you're near evidence.
The guy responsible for flooding the streets of Miami with this liquid cocaine hotshot garbage? Our new friend Tyson Latchford. Hotshot's popular because the high's cleaner, without the crash. Or so they say. I can get Tyson in front of a grand jury thanks to this evidence, assuming he stays alive long enough.
Nick, check this out.
Did you find Tyson? Guy, look at this. Tyson was never here. It was a video chat.
Shit. Can we reconnect?
Oh, fuck. You cops led them right there. Didn't you?
Sorry, but you're the asshole they were trying to kill.
Hello, Tyson.
Oh, hell. This just got worse.
Hey, your friend Tap took off. I think all your guys are dead.
Fuck! Look, these aren't my guys, okay? Occasionally I throw product their way.
Who's trying to kill you, Tyson?
Yeah, that's not something you're typically told ahead of time.
Tell us where you are. We can protect you.
Sorry, but I doubt that.
Damn it. Now what?
Tyson's dead if we don't get to him first. CP, this is 13. We need a trace route on an outgoing IP connection.
13 trace in progress. And we're connected. Give us a few minutes, 13.
Copy that. Let's go. They're gonna need more than a few minutes.
So we know what Tyson was up to, but we have no idea where he is.
Look upstairs! Find this fucking guy!
Shit. Mendoza, we gotta get out of here.
You think?
My deal's too What's up?
Put your hands up.
More show up.
Don't
Get
move.
Hey, hey!
I got this one, Nick.
Damn!
Holy shit! Don't you move.
What is that? Shit! Hands up. This is 13. We have multiple armed suspects.
Understood, 13. Respond with caution.
Nick, get to the car now! Hurry, get in!
Detective Down, got a location from that IP.
Thanks, CP. Send me the info.
Fred Tyson has no idea what's heading his way.
I'll send a ground unit to the location.
Yeah, then we grab him and get out.
65, get out of here! We don't want to ring the bad guy dinner bell!
Copy that.
Give it the boot, Mendoza.
You know you need a warrant for that.
Play nice, boys.
Something tells me you've got your civil liberties memorized.
We're not here to arrest you. You need to go now.
Let me get my stuff.
Hey, how about you tell us what the hell's going on, huh?
You know how I spend my day? Spreadsheets. I haven't been a street guy in a long time. Lately, everybody's fighting everybody. If there's a wrong side, I seem to be on it. That's all I know.
Look, can we talk about this some... Oh, shit! I'm hit.
Whoa.
How bad is that? Jesus. God.
Okay. I'm putting pressure on it, all right?
Oh, God! Damn it!
I know.
Fuck.
I know. Just hang in there.
We're not here for you,
Dick.
I'm not leaving you. Fuck off!
Get Tyson!
Hi, look at me. Hi, stay with me. Hi! Christ! Hi, hang on! Hey, we're cops! We're cops! She's hit!
I think it hit an artery.
You're lucky you didn't bleed to death.
Hands up! Now!
Good evening to you, too.
Detective, do you know this man?
Oh. Him? He does spreadsheets. Next time on Hardline.
I had everything on a platter, and you fucked it up.
Are we gonna have a problem?
What the hell just happened?